Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to make a very delicious Italian sourdough sandwich with chicken and fresh mozzarella cheese, balsamic glaze that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Beautiful family, I'm going to start with the basil leaves. Yes, I have one bunch of basil. I'm only using the leaves. I am going to put them aside. I'm going to continue with my extra large tomato. Look how beautiful this looks. I'm going to first make the Capri salad, and then I'm going to enjoy an amazing caprese chicken sandwich. Let me tell you, this fresh mozzarella cheese, oh my God, it's already pre-sliced and it's really fresh and delicious. I'm going to put it aside and then I'm ready to show you what I'm going to add right on the top. I have salt, black pepper to taste, olive oil, and balsamic glaze. And look at this. This is a perfect salad as is. Or you could make your sourdough caprese chicken sandwich as I'm going to do it. The chicken is nice and thin. It's chicken breast. Of course, we're going to start making the seasoning for the chicken, the marinade. I have olive oil, I have balsamic glaze, and we're going to add salt, black pepper, and of course, garlic, diced garlic. Of course, all the ingredients you're going to have in the description box. But let me tell you, enjoy this amazing sandwich for this summer. It's nice and hot, and why not enjoy something fresh, delicious, and crispy? And the best thing, you're making it at home and enjoying it with your beautiful family. I have 4 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up, dice in small little pieces. I'm adding it directly into the olive oil and balsamic glaze. I'm going to incorporate it really good. And as you guys know, I love garlic. So 4 garlic is more than enough. And these were large garlic cloves. And now when everything is incorporated, salt, black pepper, olive oil, balsamic glaze, I'm going to add it right on top of the chicken breast. And we're going to marinate it at least for 20 to 30 minutes so that the chicken really absorbs those amazing and delicious flavors. Look at this. I always say when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect and delicious. Let's incorporate all that deliciousness into the chicken. We're going to cover it. We're going to put it aside. And of course, we're going to start preparing our sourdough bread. I'm going to add a little bit of butter right on the top on both sides. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the balsamic glaze right on the top. This is going to come out amazing. My pan is nice and hot. I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to cook until it's nice and golden brown. This is going to take a couple minutes, actually like 3 minutes per side. And then I show you from close up how amazing this looks. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing sandwich, you're going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. Once the chicken is nice and golden brown from both sides, we are going to add into the same pan, we're going to add our sourdough. We're going to get it nice and crispy so that we could enjoy it nice and hot. And with those refreshing and fresh ingredients, oh my gosh, what can I tell you? This is going to be amazing. Now I'm ready to add the sourdough bread into the pan. It's going to be 1 minute per side, and you want it nice and crispy. Look at this. I can't wait to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family. And now I am ready to prepare it. I'll see you in just a little bit. Now I have all my ingredients. I have the salad, Capri salad. I have my sourdough nice and crispy and my chicken. And now let's make this amazing sandwich. The chicken goes first, tomato, cheese, basil. Oh my God, this looks amazing. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it. I am going to enjoy it here with my beautiful family. I'm ready to taste. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. Look at this. Amazing. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing caprese chicken sandwich, Italian with very fresh ingredients. And it's perfect for this hot weather, so excuse me. Mm, mm, oh my God. So delicious. I hope, my friends, you make it, you enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken caprese sandwich. Italian my way. See you soon. Bye-bye.